receive.
Yeah, probably storage.
So this is the home from the back.
You should probably plug it into your computer and put it on your computer. Plug your phone into your computer. You can move all your. You can do a backup just in case your phone gets broken. Then you also can take all your
I'm recording.
videos and put it.
So this is the back of the home. Yeah. Well, there are some people who are supposed to do the whole landscape after, so maybe they'll still come and do this. Yeah, so there's a little bit of slowing down, but as I said before, the next thing is to connect the water and the sewer line. Now, we don't know what we are going to do with this shed. This is like a small eyesore here. But if you, as I said, if you want to learn any type of real estate investing, you can click on the link in the description. We have a lot of free courses, and then if you have questions, you can DM me and we can talk about it. So this is day 19, no, day 26 of installation from the day they started. So the sprinkler systems are in now. The project manager has told me that the sprinkler system is in. The next thing is to connect water and sewer, and then okay, so as I promised, if you want to build, so this all is encroachment. They encroached on our land, but we left it. We didn't cause any trouble for them. But you see, all this, we have to do something about all this, because people's drains can't go into your house, so we have to think of something to do. But so if you want to buy land, because buying land and building might be cheaper now, so after you buy the land, reach out. You can reach out to a modular company. The process is very simple. Before you buy the land, make sure you reach out to the township. Make sure that the land is buildable. Once you know the land is buildable in that township, also find out what can be built. You know, you don't want to buy the land and they tell you, oh, you can't build this, you can't build that. So find out what can be built, then shop around to different companies, different builders. If you want it stick built, if you want it to be modular, if you want it to be a mobile home, reach out, compare prices. The most important thing is you want a home. So don't let somebody tell you one is better than the other. The olden days modular and mobile homes probably were not strong, but now the mobile homes are strong, or even stronger than stick-built homes. So you can go with anything, stick-built, modular, or mobile. And then sit down, calculate your price. How much can you afford? Now, as I said before, I usually like to go for 3-bedroom, 2-bath, because in case you want to sell the house, those are easier to sell. Because if you go with 2 bedrooms, you limit the number of customers you can sell to. That's potential buyers. But Go for a 3-bedroom. Most people want a 3-bedroom, at least 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So go for that. And then, what do? You survey the land. You get a plot plan. Survey number 1, plot plan number 2. Now the plot plan is only done after you're sure of what home you're going to put on, because that will affect the whole design. And then also reach out to the utilities. Who is going to be providing electricity? Who is going to be providing, if you're going to be using public gas, who is going to be providing the public gas? Who is going to provide the water? Who is going to provide the sewer? In the case of this house, Pico is providing the electric, Aqua is providing the water, the township is providing the sewer. Now the gas is going to be propane gas, those ones that they come and fill the tanks, so there will be propane gas there. So those ones will be filled as needed, and hopefully that should cut down the cost of energy. And so this week I will have more updates, because I'm going to submit my application to Aqua and the sewer people. Now you'll be wondering, why didn't we do that before the house? Well, this is a situation of which comes first, the hen or the egg. We wanted to have the lines put, but we couldn't put the lines without a house. And then now you have the house, you're now trying to put the lines. So I think the situation is you have to have a house to let them know where they are pulling the water and sewer to. So that's why we had to wait for the house to be there before we could put the sewer line and the water. So hopefully, after I submit the application, they said it will take up to 6 weeks. I hope it won't take that long, because if I had known, I would have started on that much earlier. So that's just a simple process, and hopefully by the time all that comes here, everything else will be very fast. They have to, because they're still going to do the driveway and some other things. So we'll see how it goes. The thing about real estate is you have to be patient, because there's some things that might be unexpected or you didn't calculate. Personally, as a person who does projects, I always like everything to, happen at as one thing is going on, the other things too also should be going on. I thought that if they had told me earlier, by now we would have worked on all the water and sewer situation, so that there will be no waiting. But well, I know everything is okay, so I wouldn't be too worried. So subscribe so that you can follow along the project, and if you have any comments, questions, you can put it in the description below or in the comments below. Okay, bye and God bless. Is there anything I forgot to say? No. And don't forget, okay, this is March. I promise that in March we will give out some free gifts, but I'll tell you about that during the week. Okay, bye.